And now for the Toyota.
We're still continuing getting the 81 pickup trail ready. Yesterday we spent the day, or we spent part of the day, pressure washing it, cleaning out from underneath the engine compartment, the drivetrain. Today what I'd like to do is a couple of things. One, keep looking for potential vacuum leaks. I'm going to tighten up the carburetor, make sure it's well seated. Some more plugs on the intake could probably be swapped out for something a little more better sealing. Right now there's just some like vacuum lines plugged with bolts and stuff. We're going to try to clean that up. One major thing, we did tighten up the steering yesterday and found some play. But I'd like to get it to where it shifts gears a little better. So I got a shifter rebuild kit that has a little bushing and a seat that the little shifter ball sits in. So we're going to replace that and see if we can get that shifter straightened out. All right. It's coming. Okay. There's some pieces. There's some more pieces. Okay, that's the old one. The good news is the little pegs aren't broken off. We're going to clean it out real good, bolt it back down, see if we got the slot out. Okay. Let's see if we can find all the gears now. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5. That's reverse. I can get into reverse when I'm in low gear. Looks like I'm good to go. I think I can cover this up now. This plug right here, we're going to try to take that out and replace it with just that because it's got all these vacuum lines coming off of it. So there it is. That looks much cleaner, and we can be certain that's not going to leak. Oh yeah, and thanks for watching Winch Outdoors. Next, we're going to See if we can replace this PCV valve. I mean, doesn't look like it's got much going for it here. Oh, yeah, it just comes right out. So let's see if we can get that old ground out. Okay, that's out. See if the new one seals any better than that one. Okay, that's much tighter. Ah, it split. So I need a new PCV hose. I hate these hose clamps. Hate them. Awesome. Okay, we have no battery hold down here. I went to the local pick-a-pull, you know, like pick your own parts hardware junkyard, and I got this off of a Toyota Sienna van, and as you can see, it's too long. So we're gonna make a couple marks. We're going to cut it and re-weld it together. I would say basically this needs to get cut off I'd say we need to cut it about right there. And then we'll cut this off about right there and weld it to it. See what we get. There we go. Okay. Well, there you go. Let me grind it down. You'll love it. Okay. Now, look at that, custom. We're gonna throw some paint on that. Now, come with me. All right, let's see how we did. There you go. That battery, I can move the whole truck with the battery now. Well, just as a recap, what we got done today, we got the shifter shifting, we got the battery holding down, we got some more vacuum leaks, you know, taken care of. Got to run to the junkyard and get some parts, so that helped. Let me show you this. This may be a little thing, but that thing was scratching the Jesus out of me, so I got a lock to go there. And we got this thing painted up. We just need to get it reinstalled and maybe come up with a boot there. So tonight I'm gonna get online, I'm gonna order one of these. That goes over that shifter. And we're just knocking things out one by one. All right, well, thanks for watching Winch Outdoors. Dana? Was I supposed to go right there? Well, you off work this week.